Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a video in which I'm going to tell you how you can solve the issue that your hotspot is not working or you are unable to turn on your hotspot, or any issue regarding your hotspot in Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 5G. So firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. And let's move toward the topic. Here I'm going to tell how you can solve the issue that your hotspot is not working, you are unable to turn it on or it's not connecting. Any issue regarding your hotspot, I will tell you in this video.